By Harold Kerzner, Ph.D. Recently, I conducted a webinar on PM2.0/3.0, the future of project management. During the Q&A session that followed, I was asked if PM4.0, which I am now researching and will be publishing shortly, would include a discussion of the role of artificial intelligence, AI, applied to project management. I was also recently interviewed by a person working on a graduate degree, who asked what I believed would be the relationship between project management and AI in the future. It appears that the world of AI is now entering the project management community of practice, and there is significant interest in this topic. While I am certainly not an expert in AI, I became curious about how developments in AI could benefit project management. A common definition of AI is intelligence exhibited by machines. 1. From a project management perspective, could a machine eventually mimic the cognitive functions associated with the mind of a project manager, such as decision-making and problem-solving? The principles of AI are already being used in speech recognition systems and search engines such as Google Search and Siri. Self-driving cars use AI concepts, as do military simulation exercises and content delivery networks. Computers can now defeat most people in strategy games such as chess. It is just a matter of time before we see AI techniques involved in project management. The overall purpose of AI is to create computers and machinery that can function in an intelligent manner. This requires the use of statistical methods, computational intelligence, and optimization techniques. The programming for such AI techniques requires not only an understanding of technology but also an understanding of psychology, linguistics, neuroscience, and many other knowledge areas. The question regarding the use of AI is whether the mind of a project manager can be described so precisely that it can be simulated, using the techniques described above. We'll accomplish this in the near term, but there is hope because of faster computers, the use of cloud computing, and increases in machine learning technology. However, there are some applications of AI that could assist project managers in the near term. 5. The growth in competing constraints, rather use of the traditional triple constraints, will make it more difficult to perform trade-off analyses. The use of AI concepts could make life easier for the project manager. We tend to take it for granted that the assumptions and constraints given to us at the onset of the project will remain intact throughout the life cycle of the project. Today, we know that this is not true and that all assumptions and constraints must be tracked throughout the life cycle. AI could help us in this area. Executives quite often do not know when to intervene in a project. Many companies today are using crises dashboards. When an executive looks at the crises dashboard on his/her computer, the display identifies only those projects that may have issues, which metrics are out of the acceptable target range, and perhaps even the degree of criticality. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.